There are 5 things sitting in your boho room right now that are quietly making it look cheaper than it is. None of them cost a penny to fix. You don't have to buy anything, you just have to take them out. And the 5th one, number 1, is the thing almost everyone has. The thing that quietly makes a whole room look like it came from a catalog instead of collected over years. By the end, you'll know the 5 things that make a room look cheap, and every fix is free, just something to remove. And number 1 is the one you almost certainly have right now. Turning a room from cheap-looking back into warm and collected, for free, is exactly what this channel is for. So let's start with number 5, the first thing to take out. Number 5, take out the fake plastic plants. This is one of the biggest things that make a room look cheap, and almost every boho room has at least one. That plastic succulent on the shelf, the dusty silk fern in the corner, the fake little potted thing on the windowsill. Up close, plastic always looks like plastic. The 2 perfect leaves, the slightly wrong shade of green, the shine that no real plant has, so take them out completely. If you love the green, replace just one of them with a single real, easy plant, a pothos, a snake plant, or a ZZ plant, the kind that survives almost anything and forgives you for forgetting to water it. Real leaves catch the light and move a little, and your eye reads that life instantly as expensive. And if you're truly not ready for a living plant, a few tall stems of dried pampas grass or dried eucalyptus in a simple vase look far more collected than any plastic plant ever will, and they last for years. One real or dried thing beats 5 plastic ones every time. The rule: remove the fake plastic plants. Now for the thing hanging on your walls, number 4. Number 4, take down the word art signs. And I know these are everywhere, so this one might sting a little, but the mass-produced, quote, signs are quietly cheapening the room. The wooden gather sign, the live, laugh, love plaque, the but first coffee print. Because thousands of homes have the exact same sign, it reads as generic instead of personal, and generic always looks cheap, so take them down. In their place, hang something with real character and a story. A thrifted painting you found for a few dollars, a woven wall hanging or a small vintage rug, an old framed map or a piece of pressed botanical art, or even one large photo you took yourself, printed big and framed simply. Anything one of a kind beats a slogan that's hanging in 1,000 other living rooms. The goal is walls that feel like your room and your life, not a shelf at the home goods store. One piece with a story does more than a whole wall of sayings. The rule: remove the mass-produced word signs. Halfway through, and number 1 is still ahead. We're halfway. But number 1, the thing that quietly makes the biggest difference, is something almost every single boho room has, and taking it apart is completely free. Stay for it, because it's the fix that instantly makes a room look collected. Number 3, take out the cool white bulbs. Light is invisible, so this is the easiest thing to miss, but it might be cheapening your room more than anything else. Cool, bright, bluish-white bulbs wash all the warmth out of a boho room and make it feel like an office or a waiting room, no matter how nicely it's decorated. So take them out and swap in warm bulbs. Look for soft white or the number 2700 Kelvin on the box. It costs a few dollars for a whole pack. Warm light makes wood glow, makes your textiles look richer, and turns plain walls a soft honey color at night. It's the single cheapest upgrade in the whole house, and it changes the entire mood in 1 second when you flip the switch. The rule: remove the cool white bulbs for warm ones. 2 things left, and number 2 is on your floor. If even one of these has already helped you see your own room more clearly, that's exactly what this channel is for a warm, collected home on a real budget. Number 2 is one of my favorites, because the fix costs nothing. Number 2, take out the tiny floating rug. This is one of the most common things that make a room look cheap, and it's hiding right in the middle of the floor. A rug that's too small floats like a little island, with all the furniture standing off the edge of it, and it makes the whole room feel smaller and disconnected. The fix is to either remove that small rug entirely or replace it with one big enough that at least the front legs of every seat sit on top of it. Go up a size or two from whatever feels right. It's almost always cheaper to buy one rug that's genuinely too big than to live with one that's too small. Watch the room change. The little floating rug made the space feel cheap, disconnected, and scattered. But a bigger rug pulls the whole seating area into one warm, intentional group. And here's the surprising part. Honestly, a clean, bare floor looks more expensive than a rug that's too small. If you can't size up yet, take the small one out. The rule: remove the too small floating rug. And that brings us to number 1, the thing almost every boho room has. Number 1, take apart the matched throw pillow set. This is the thing almost every boho room has, and taking it apart is the fastest free way to make a room look collected instead of cheap. You know the set, the throw pillows that all came together in one matching pack. Same fabric, same pattern, same size, lined up neatly across the sofa. And a matching set does exactly one thing. It tells everyone who walks in that the whole look came from a single box, bought in a single afternoon. It looks ordered. It never looks gathered. So break the setup. Keep 1 or 2 of the original pillows, then mix in others that don't match different textures, different sizes. A worn vintage cushion, 1 solid color, 1 faded pattern. Layer 3 or 4 pillows that clearly weren't bought together. That gentle mismatch is the whole secret. It makes the sofa and the whole room look collected slowly over years instead of ordered all at once. Same pillows, a little rearranging, $0, and the room stops looking cheap and starts looking collected. The rule: remove the matched pillow set and mismatch on purpose. So here are the 5 things quietly making your boho room look cheap, and every fix is free. 5. Remove the fake plastic plants. 4. Remove the mass-produced word signs. 3. Remove the cool white bulbs for warm ones. 2. Remove the too small floating rug. And, number 1, remove the matched pillow set and mismatch on purpose. Take out those 5 things, and a boho room instantly looks warmer, more collected, and far more expensive without spending a single dollar. If you want to see what to add back into a boho room once these 5 things are gone, that video is on your screen right now, the small changes that make a room look expensive. I'll see you there.